Let's learn how to set up the RL78 LoRaWAN sensor demo. A LoRaWAN sensor node is constructed by connecting a Renesas RL78 G23 fast prototyping board, a Renesas HS3001 humidity and temperature sensor module, and a Semtech SX1261-1262 shield to wirelessly transmit sensor data over LoRaWAN at regular intervals. As the LoRaWAN gateway, Kerlink iFEM to Cell transmits data to the Cayenne cloud server via the Laureate network server to visualize data. First, set up the hardware used for sensor node. In order to communicate with the SX1261-1262 shield, the RL78 G23 fast prototyping board requires additional wirings and jumper setting. The HS3001 humidity and temperature sensor module should also be plugged into PMOD2. Connect the RL78 G23 fast prototyping board to the PC using a USB cable and write the code for the LoRaWAN sensor demo package using the Renesas Flash programmer. Both LoRaWAN sensor demo package and Renesas Flash programmer are downloadable from the Renesas website. Next, configure the Kerlink iFEM to Cell to be used as a gateway. To install the firmware corresponding to the network server to be used, first check the IP address of the gateway connected to the Internet and connect to it via the SSH protocol using terminal software from a PC via an Ethernet cable. The default password is PDMK-, followed by the last 6 digits of the board ID. Here is the example of executing the command when using Laureate network server. The server name should be changed according to the Laureate server used. Reboot after installation is complete. This completes the gateway configuration. Next, configure the Laureate network server. After creating a Laureate account and logging in, click Networks in the dashboard and select Sample Network. Click on Add Gateway, select Kerlink iFEM to Cell from the list displayed and enter the gateway's MAC address. Set the gateway location and click Register Kerlink iFEM to Cell Gateway to register the gateway. Select the region where the gateway is to be installed from the code displayed. Click Add Band in Channel Plans and select the channel plan corresponding to the region. For the channel plan for each region, please refer to the Laureate website. When the gateway is connected, click Restart to complete the gateway configuration. Next, register the device to be used on the Laureate network server. Click on Applications in the dashboard and select Sample App. Click Enroll Device and set the necessary information. Insert FFFE in the middle of the 48-bit MAC address in Device EUI and register it. If you do not have a 48-bit MAC address, you can purchase one from the IEEE. This completes the configuration of the Laureate network server. Next, configure the Endnode device to connect to the LoRaWAN network. Connect the PC and the device by configuring serial communication using the COM port in the terminal software. Set the LoRaWAN specific parameters using the AT command. Similarly, set sensor specific parameters also with the AT command. Once the device is connected to the LoRaWAN network, it will start transmitting sensor data. This completes the configuration of the Endnode device. The next step is to output data from the Laureate network server onto the Cayenne dashboard for display. From the Laureate dashboard, click Application, Sample App, Output. Select Cayenne in the list and click Add Output. Be sure to record the application ID and authentication token at this point. Finally, configure Cayenne for LoRa. After creating an account and logging in, select LoRa, then select Laureate from Network. Select Cayenne LPP from the list displayed and set the necessary information such as device EUI, Laureate server to be used, application ID of sample application set up with Laureate, authentication token, then click Add Device. The data sent from the sensors via LoRaWAN can now be visualized on Cayenne. Please refer to the Renesas website for more details on RL78 LoRaWAN sensor demo and RL78 LoRa-based solution.